In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a distortion effect to CapCut videos step by step, so you can give your edits a more glitchy, stylized or dramatic look in just a few minutes. This is a great effect if you want your video to feel more cinematic, more energetic, or just more eye-catching for social media. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Once CapCut is open, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have a video you want to edit. If you're starting from scratch, click on New Project. If you already have your footage ready, simply open that project and continue from there. Next, you need to import your video. Select the clip you want to edit and add it into CapCut. After that, drag the video onto the timeline so you can begin applying effects. The timeline is where all of your editing happens, so make sure your clip is placed there before moving on. Once your video is on the timeline, look at the top menu and click on Effects. This is where CapCut keeps all of its visual effects tools, including stylized overlays, motion effects, and distortion looks. After clicking Effects, open the Video Effects tab. This section is specifically for effects that can be applied directly to your clip, so it's the right place to find the distortion effect we want. Now you have two easy options. You can either search for distortion using the search bar, or you can browse through categories like distortion, glitch, or retro, depending on the style you want. CapCut often groups similar effects together, so if you don't see the exact one right away, browsing those categories can help you find a similar look faster. Once you find the distortion effect you like, click the plus button to add it to the timeline. In some versions of CapCut, you may be able to drag the effect directly onto your clip instead. Either way, the effect will appear on your timeline and be applied to your video. From there, you can preview the result and see how it looks with your footage. If the distortion feels too strong or too subtle, you can usually adjust the effect length or intensity depending on the options available in your version of CapCut. This is helpful if you want a quick glitch moment, a warped transition, or a full-on distorted visual style. And that's it. You've now added a distortion effect to your CapCut video. It's a simple process, but it can completely change the mood and energy of your edit. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.